Welcome back to my channel. Hey, we got the GPU for the White Knight right here. The AMD Radeon RX 6650 XT, picked up for $129. And I got Resident Evil 4 for free. They had the RGB 3-fan for $10 more. I did not get it. And I'm glad I didn't because it wouldn't have fit. So there's that puppy right there, and it's gonna be perfect. Aw, yeah. Yep. Now the 3-fan would have fit perfectly, and I still might get it for the black one. But yeah, there we go. So I gotta download the drivers for this. Download display driver uninstaller, and then follow the steps, and then install the drivers on the last boot up, and then yeah, this puppy will be up and running, good to go.